Today we're making two of my favorite things, tie-dye and pancakes. Make sure before we get started we need to wash our hands. Let's start. Make sure we get all the germs out. First we need to pour the milk in. Then we pour the eggs in. Make sure you get it all out. And then we mix it together. Then once that's all mixed up, we need to pour the pancakes mix in. Once that's all poured in, we need to make sure we mix that really good. Make sure you get it all mixed in. Now that we've waited 10 minutes, it's time to cook the pancakes. First, ask an adult to do this. Then, we grease the pan. Now that the pan is nice and hot, it's time to cook the pancakes. Now it's time to add the food coloring. We usually don't add this in pancakes. Today we will be. First, we're going to use pink. We're going to do 2 drops on each one. Then we'll do blue. We need to take the lid off on every one. Then pull the lid and then you squeeze it on. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then after that we're going to use purple. Remember, just like I said, take the lid off and squeeze. 2. 1, 2. Good. Now we're going to add green. It may look a little yellow or it may look like it's colored. We don't know. 1, 2. 1, gonna let them cook. All right, it's time to flip our pancakes. All right, they're pretty much done now, so we need to put them on the plate. Don't these look delicious? My parents helped me cook them off the stove. Let's make a happy face smiley plate. First, let's use some yellow to do it. There is the smile. Ready to make the eyes? We're gonna do blue eyes. Now it's time for the final touch. We're gonna make the nose, and then it's the funnest part. Let's dig in, everybody. Thanks for cooking with Cait today. I hope you enjoyed. Please watch Cook with Cait